Today we're going to bring a Nintendo Switch hub, and this is perfect for the Nintendo Switch, but you could actually use it for multiple systems too. And we have a screen, we're going to test it out. So first of all, you get a Type-C, and then you get another Type-C. This is to actually charge your actual Nintendo Switch. And then here, HDMI, and then your 3.0 connection, USB Type A. I'm going to plug it in right now. And if you guys notice, all you got to do is plug it into the bottom, right? All right, if you guys can see, you needed to power up your actual Nintendo Switch to actually display into your monitor, right? That's the only way you're going to be able to play any kind of games. All right, with the actual system, you don't need to carry the docking station with you. If you guys notice, look at that. You can just go into any game you want. And this is perfect if you're going to travel. Take this with you instead of the whole docking station. You do need power, you need HDMI, and then you have another USB if you want to charge things, all right? Or devices, you want to charge the devices, you can do that too. But look at this, it's working very, very good with the actual module. Very simple with the Nintendo Switch. Now let's try another different system that you can plug in with the same hub. Now let's take a look at a couple things. So we're gonna grab a mouse so we can control it, and we're gonna take the mouse, plug in the mouse into the actual system. All right, we'll plug it into our Joy-Phone here, and besides the Nintendo Switch, look what else we can do. I'm gonna display it right now, so there it is. And then of course I got a mouse moving, so easy to use on my phone. I could open things up, emails, galleries. Look at that. I can open up all these things from my phone, working on it. So not just a Nintendo Switch, but also your phone too. I like the whole setup, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.